What's up, everybody? I'm Chuck. I hope you're... No. What's up, everybody? I'm Sarah. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and thanks for joining me. I promise to keep this really brief, but my husband is away for a couple days, and he told me that I needed to set the sprinklers out if it doesn't rain. So I thought, hey, why not? If it doesn't get filmed, it didn't really happen in the lawn, right? So let's set up the sprinklers together. Alright guys, that's really it. I was just setting up 2 sprinklers because I don't think it's gonna rain tonight. I know it's just a small little thing, but it feels cool to do my part because my husband works so hard to keep our lawn so beautiful and so green, and I really appreciate all the hard work he does. And he gave me really specific instructions, so I hope that I set especially this one in the corner, that it gets the main lawn. I hope I did it right. He said something about 2 notches that are pointing at a 90-degree angle, and that there was an arrow in the middle, and I needed to be sure that that arrow in the middle was facing the right way. Otherwise, I'd be just getting the entire driveway and none of the grass. So let's hope I set that up right. Thanks for joining me. It's been really fun, and sorry to disrupt your previously scheduled viewing. I hope you have a great day, and God bless.